Welcome guys, my name is Albert, and if you do the things I tell you in this video, 99% of women will chase you. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos, because on this channel I teach you guys how to become better men and how to improve your interactions with women. So let's dive right into this topic. And as we are going into this topic, I want to introduce you guys to the Rules of Tao. There was a movie I watched some time back, and it was about this guy called Tao, right? And he had three rules, right? I don't really remember the movie that well, but I remember these three rules because dealing with women, it really helps explain what you need for women to chase you. Okay? Three rules. Very important rules. I'm going to talk about two rules right now, and then at the end of this video I'm going to talk about the final rule, which is very important. All three rules, right? If you apply one without the other two, it won't work. So you need to apply these three rules. It's very important if you want women to chase you. The first two rules: be cool and be excellent in her presence. Okay, so before I go into these two rules, I got an email the other day from this guy. We're just gonna call him Mark, right? And he was telling me about a girl that he was dating, and they seemed to hit it off really well. And then all of a sudden, she started pulling away from him, and he was asking me what should he do. Here's the thing: most guys, when they start interacting with women, they are they feel like they're playing checkers, right? Women, when they interact with men, they are playing chess. In some cases, 3D chess, right? So that's the kind of mindset I want you guys to go into every interaction that you are dealing with a woman. Why do I say chess? Because every move you make with a woman needs to be strategic. Okay? You need to be strategic every move you make. Okay, you need to not worry about, most guys worrying about getting in the draws right quick, right? But here's the thing: if you get into the draws like that, then it's a quick thing, and then when she gets it, she's out. But if you want this woman around for the long haul and she's actually wanting more from you, you have to be able to stimulate her mentally. You have to be engaging. You have to be challenging to her, right? You have to plan every move that you make with her. Okay, you have to make sure that every move you make is calculated. You notice I have said that multiple times because that is how important it is. Okay, so when you are dealing with a woman, right, you cannot show any sign of weakness. That's part of being excellent, right? You cannot show her that you are easily emotionally manipulative. This is part of that being cool, right? And also part of being excellent in her presence is that once I say you can't show weakness, you have to show her that you are better than her. It's very important. A woman is not going to respect you or submit to you if she feels that she's better than you, right? You have to understand this. Trust me, you have to understand this, okay? The next thing is, when I say a sign of weakness, that you cannot show any sign of weakness, what do I mean by this? You cannot be the one asking for a commitment. You cannot be the one asking, when am I going to see you next? You can't be too clingy when you're around her. You have to have an era of it's almost like a kind of like a self-absorbed arrogance, like where it's like you are too busy to actually spare a single time for her. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to get back to you. I'm gonna be busy for the next couple of weeks, but I really enjoy hanging out with you. I will give you a call sometime. Let her know that, you know what, she hasn't totally won you over. Keep this in mind, guys. If a woman knows that she has won you over totally, and that you are no longer a challenge, she's going to lose interest. She's going to walk away. She's going to try and find another guy that's a bigger and better challenge. But when she sees that you are in demand, that you are challenging, that you are engaging, that you are not easily convinced of who she is as a person, that you are not just gonna easily just kind of just give away your power of attention and commitment to her so easily, that you show her it's gonna take some work to rein this man in. Why? Because he has other things to do. Maybe it's other businesses. Maybe it's other cheeks to clap. She doesn't know. She doesn't need to know. All she needs to know is that her mind needs to wonder about you, right? This will keep her engaging. Once she's thinking about you, she can't concentrate on her own things. She'll be more worried about you, okay? Now, most guys, they mess up when they start trying to, they start trying to lock her down too soon. I mean, it's sad, but you can't do this. You just can't do this. You can't be that guy trying to lock her down. Oh, what can I do to keep her? That is the wrong attitude. You have to be the guy out there clapping cheeks. You have to be the guy out there trying to make himself better, figure out how he's gonna get that next 6 figures, right? You have to be that guy. And finally, the last rule is very important. That from the Tao of Steve is be gone. Why this rule is very important is it comes into play when the woman starts to pull away from you, right? Just like the guy that I was talking about in the beginning that asked me a question, what should he do? You have to be gone. You have to remove your presence away from her. If you had followed the first 2 rules that I told you, be cool and be excellent in her presence, and you are gone, she will start thinking about you. When you are gone, she will start thinking, what is he doing? Is he clapping cheeks? Is he building his business? What is he up to? I know that last time we were hanging out, he was such an amazing guy. We had so much fun. I am missing that. Right? I am missing that. Oh, did I just lose something important? That's why being gone is very, very important, because there's that sense of loss. You've given her that fear of loss. And if she really valued you, she would actually hit you back up. She will actually start to chase you. She will actually start hitting you back up, trying to find out how you're doing. When can you guys meet up again? Okay? So guys, keep those 3 rules in mind. Be cool, be excellent in her presence, and be gone. Okay? Remember, you are playing chess, not checkers. Make sure that every move that you make with a woman is strategic. The words that come out of your mouth have to be strategic. Okay? Remember, guys, you are playing chess, not checkers. Okay, guys, that is the video for today. I hope you guys have seen value in that. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Because on this channel, guys, I teach you guys how to become better men and how to improve your interactions with women. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Any comments that you guys have, leave it in the comment sections below. I love interacting, guys. I love interacting with you guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Okay? With that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.